Hello everyone, this is the React Native Beginner series. In this video, I want to show you how to generate the QR code image in React Native. So for that, we are using the third-party library. So this is the library, the React Native QR code SVG. So let's start with the practicals. So this is our library. This is our QR code images, and we can customize the QR code according to our requirement. So let's start with the practical. So if you are using the yarn, you can select this. If you are using the npm, you can copy this npm file. So just copy the yarn, add, and come to your project, install. See, its library is installed in my project. So now just come to the library. So it say if you are using the React Native 60 plus, so you need to install the port file. So just come to your project, cd ios and port install. So it will take us some time to install my ports in my project. So our port is installed. Now we need to cd and yarn ios. Again we should so now we need to run our project again. So I just start my project. So my project is running. So showing. So now we need to come to our library again. So if you are using the React Native lower than 59 version, so you need to linking. So so just copy this command and paste it. If you are using lower than 59 version, so to generating the QR, so you need to come to the example. Just import your QR code. This is the import. We import the QR from the React Native QR SVG, and just come to your and then just copy the QR code and just paste here. So it will be now. Just reload your app. See, this is our QR code. We generate the QR code, but we need to color also. We have a color, and you can type red. See, it can be red, and also there is we have another props also. And just come here. If you want to increase the size, you can come here and size just 120. Our size 120, 220. See, this is the size, and also value. This is the value. From this value, we can generate the QR code. If you are, this is the value. This part is generating the QR code. If you have a link of your app, something like that, you just copy and paste the link of that app. So it will generate the QR code for your app also. So this is color. We can color background color. We can also background color. Enable the gradient color. We also can enable. Just say true. See. See, it changed our QR code color. Also we have another prop also. We can change also the linear gradient color also with the if you need something else. So we can also import the logo. Just logo. Let me just type logo and image path and copy the Google. See, we can see also we can increase the logo size 120. So we can, and we also can have a margin, logo margin. We have a logo margin. We can just say 40. And we can also logo background color red. We can color the logo background also. So this is the React Native QR code generator. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.